TrulyFun Toys!
Hey friends, welcome back to TrulyFun Toys. Today we're going to learn our colors and counting using this awesome truck and these 6 race cars.
Hooray!
Let's get started by opening this truck up. This top ramp folds down
Okay.
to meet at the bottom. Now all of our cars can roll off the back of the truck. Let's get started by counting all of these cars. Let's start with the first 3 cars that are on the back of this truck. This first car is the number 1 car. The color of this car is green.
Green.
This green car has an awesome purple stripe
Purple.
and a yellow stripe on the side.
Yellow.
Let's put it aside and find out what our next car is. Our next car is this awesome number 2 car.
Yippee!
The number 2 car is yellow
Yellow.
and has a cool blue stripe on the side. It looks super fast. This car is purple.
Purple.
What number is on the side of our purple car? That's right, it's the number 3. This car also has 3 exhausts on each side. 1, 2, 3. And the same on this side. It has some cool orange flames at the front. How cool is that?
Hooray!
Now we have 3 more cars on the back of this truck. Let's start with this car first. Can you tell me what number is on the side of this car? That's right, it's the number 4. This number 4 car is the color orange.
Orange.
This orange car has a blue and red stripe on the side.
Blue. Red.
Let's put this one with the other ones and find out what our next car is. Can you tell me what color this car is?
Red.
That's right, this car is the color red.
Hooray!
This red car has the number 5 on the side and has some cool yellow stripes. How many cars do we have left? It looks like we only have 1 car left. Let's check it out now. Do you know what color this number 6 car is?
Blue.
That's right. This number 6 car is the color blue. This blue number 6 car has red stripes on the side.
Red.
It looks so fast. Let's put it with the other cars. Now it's time to load up all the cars that we learned about today.
Okay.
Let's start by counting backwards from the number 6. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And the last car is the number 1 car. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars on our truck. Let's fold up the ramp and drive away.
Yay! Yippee!
Let's say bye to all the cars that we learned about today. Bye!
Goodbye.
Thank you so much for watching this video and learning about all these colors and numbers with me. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up.
Hooray!
Bye!
Goodbye.